Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set other preferred feed languages in X. If you want to see content in multiple languages on your X feed, this guide is for you. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, locate and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Languages. Within the accessibility and language settings, find and tap on the Languages option. This is where you can manage the language settings of X. Step 5. Tap on Other Languages. Within the Languages settings, look for the option that says Other Languages and tap on it. This allows you to add additional preferred feed languages in X. Step 6. Toggle the box near the preferred language. You'll be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the desired languages by toggling the boxes near their names. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set other preferred feed languages in X. By adding multiple languages to your feed, you can enjoy a diverse range of content that matches your language preferences. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to set other preferred feed languages in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.